show you how we're going to use Teams and Class Notebook to share our learning. Now, I'm using Safari, but I feel like Google Chrome works a little bit better. I have mine saved on Chrome, so I'm going to use Safari for this, and I'm going to use Arjun today because I already have his account here. So first step, don't go through Surrey Schools Hub because I feel like sometimes there's more glitches that way. I usually just go into Google, type in Office 365. You can do login or Office 365 just like that. Click on login and then you sign in. So it says my email here. At your home, if you have more than one student, you'll have to make sure you press switch to a different account if it's not your name here. So I'm going to do that. And oh, I guess I lost Arjun's. Actually, I'll go back to this page. So you can just type in whoever you're going to use. I'll use Darian maybe for this one. Darian.Shetty. Now you have, this would be the user ID. Now in order to log in to Office 365, you need to add at surreyschools.ca. This is also, every student has an email. This is also their email address. So if parents or people wanted to email their student to the school address, this is what you would use. Okay, so we're going to sign in. Takes you to this page. Okay, so because it's saved, my computer has me saved. If that happens to you, just delete that and make sure you type in the same name as before, but this time without the at school, Surrey Schools, because we're already at Surrey Schools. So that's what this logo means. And then type in the password. Okay, and press sign in. Oh, okay. Fail. Okay, we'll go back to this one. All right. I think it's, I don't know, maybe I typed it in wrong. Okay. Try again. There we go. Okay. So this time I'm logging in as Arjun. Thank you, Arjun. So we have all your apps up here. Any work that we have been completing on throughout the year should be down here. We've only been using Microsoft Word with Office 365 up until this point. However, you do have access right here. This is your email. So if you clicked on this, you could see whatever emails you've gotten. You probably got an email link from me to go to Teams. So if everyone clicked on there, you would see that. I want to show you what Teams is for now. So this is where we're going to communicate as a class. If you click on Teams, it allows us to chat and ask questions. Mainly, I just wanted one space for everyone to ask me questions if they get stuck on work or they're not sure what they're supposed to be doing. So click on there. And I've added everyone in the class already to the Teams. So it should work already for everyone. And I'm going to click no because I don't want Arjun to stay logged in on this computer. Just give it a second. Okay, there we are. So Arjun has one team. Our class name, oh, I don't know what happened. I think this is what I meant by it works better with Chrome. All right, anyways, we have our Kool-Aid Squad team here, so click on that. And then it brings you to the main page. So it shows that I've added all the class. I also have the French teacher here added and the EA added to the team. So everybody that works with our class is on this team. if you wanted to just start a conversation, you had a question to the class, you just type it in here and it will go to everyone. Everyone will see it. This is the main conversation page. You can also video chat here. Okay. It was working on Chrome. I don't know why it's not working here. But if you clicked this button here, it would allow you to meet and video meet. There's also attach. So you could attach a file. So you can take a picture of maybe the question or a screenshot of the question that you're struggling with. And then you could upload it right here so I could see what it was. You don't have to do that, but it's an option. But yes, so I want to use this as like a main way to ask questions if you're stuck or you need additional help, support. Anytime of day you can upload here. I will check it regularly. In the evenings, I'm not sure how consistent it'll be, but during the regular school hours, I'll definitely be checking it regularly. Okay, so the other option too, if you don't want the question to go to everybody, you can use the chat feature and you can chat with your classmates if you just want a few people in the chat. I just ask that you keep it respectful. And but if you need a question for me, you can just click new chat and type in my name. So Stephanie Douglas, it'll show teacher. You see Douglas_S1, that's my email, so you know for sure it's me. Click here, and then you would do the same thing down here. If you turn on notifications, then on your desktop, it'll just tell you when you have a chat. It'll come up. So I'm just going to dismiss it for now. It'll ask you, I think, almost every time, so don't worry about that. Now, if you were to type a message here, Miss Douglas, I need help with math question, whoops, 2, and then maybe describe what you're confused about, I would say, so I know how to help you. And then if I pressed send, it would have sent right to me. And then, yeah, same attach feature that we had before. Okay, so that's how you do an individual thing. I'm just going to discard it, so we don't need it to stay on Arjun's profile. Okay, if we go back to Teams, the Teams function here, you'll notice along the top here we also have the option for class notebook. Now I created a class notebook where we'll have all our assignments on, and I'll have the lessons and the homework up there. So we click on that, it will take you to the class notebook I created. This is just the welcome page. You can use it on Teams. However, I like the view. If you press open an app, it will take you to the app, I think OneNote. Hold on. However, you can use it in Teams as well, and you can just click on the side here. I press the arrow, and it opens up what we have. So collaboration space is, again, another space where you can post things and everybody will see. Everyone has access to this. Now, I only created one so far. It's called Class Graffiti. So this is just like a fun zone. You can put anything on this page, but everyone will see it, okay? So if you, again, it has to be school appropriate, so no weapons, no guns, no inappropriate language, those kind of things. But if you just want to have fun with it, and you can attach it here. I will be adding other things to collaboration space if we get on with other projects and we want to talk about specific subjects, maybe like something we're studying in socials, or this would be a good place if we're doing a book read. We can kind of, I can pose questions and everyone can kind of answer them. So I'll probably add in some more options here as time goes on. Okay, and then the second thing is content library. So this you cannot edit, but you can see anything I posted. Right now I just have math. So more to come. I will add in LA. So this is, I have math lesson 1, decimals place value. So this would be your first math lesson. This is a question. Mateo bought a package of trail mix with a mass of 1.393 kilograms. How could you model the mass of the trail mix using base 10 blocks? So that is what I'm holding in this picture here. So that's the hundreds, tens, thousands. So I was hoping that everyone would just draw it out on a separate piece of paper. Then I said watch the video for explanation on the whole lesson will be in this video. It is a bigger concept because it's an intro concept, so it's going to be a little bit longer video. And if you scroll down, I added in supports that you can use. So I have the decimal place value chart that you can reference. You can make it bigger so you can see it better. I also have a link here embedded to a website that has a free math app that has the place value blocks. And then I have a place value chart here in a PDF file, so if you have access to a printer, you can print it off. Otherwise, you can just open it up and maybe save it. Oh, it's not letting me right now, of course. Okay, so then we go back. This is the practice work, but it's not edited. So it's just here. You can see it. But if you go under your name, here you'll have, I don't have anything in a lot of these for right now, so we're just starting. But if you go into math, you'll see these same pages here, but they're edited for you. So I'm going to, so there we go. There you can see. So this is the first page, and I will tell you which numbers to do. I haven't assigned every question yet, but let's just say I assigned question number 4, and it says write each number in standard form. So you're looking at the picture and then writing the number next to it. If you click, whoops, this one is edited and you can just write your answers right on it. So if you click, there we go, there's a text box, you can move it so it's out of the way, and you can write in your answer. I'm just going to write in a random number. I think it's 2.5. Okay, that's not actually the answer, so don't copy that. But if I finish the text box, it's right there. You can use the same text box to answer the whole question. Just go like this, write question number 4A, and then do like a bracket, and that's the answer. And you can do a space, and you can write B, where's B? B, comma. Then I'll know that the answer for B, for 4B, would be this number. Let's just pretend it's 0.4. Okay, so you can use one text box for each question. Probably be the simplest, and you can put it kind of wherever there's space. So then I will see your answers, and I will have access to it in real time. So as you complete it, I can see it if I'm online as well. Otherwise, I will go back and check it, and I'll probably just circle the ones that are incorrect, so you'll know. Okay, so that's that. If you have any questions, oh, I wanted to show you open in browser. So this is it in Teams. You can access it that way. But if you open it in, can't remember if it's browser or app. Let's try browser. See what happens. Okay, so there's the same one, same page. Got it. But it's just might have a little bit more space. I find that this way is a little bit easier to use. And if you're using it on an iPad, you can actually write on it with a stylus or an iPad pencil. On the iPad, what I would do is I'd probably download the Teams app and the OneNote app, and then you can log in directly through that. I'll try to show another video for that, I'm not sure. Okay, if you have any questions, oh, I didn't know this, you actually have a print option. That's kind of interesting. So you could print these off. However, you'd still have to answer them on here so I could see your answers. But yeah, okay, so 3 pages right there. All right, I hope everything goes well and everyone's doing well. Any questions, just log into Teams and I will be there. Okay, bye.